Welcome, dreamers and doers, to Beyond the Horizons, your portal to the world of business, innovation, and success. If you're here to unlock the secret to making your 2023 online business venture a triumph, then stay tuned because this is the video you don't want to miss. Today we're about to reveal the indispensable key to success, the power of a positive mindset. But before we dive in, let me share a little secret with you. If you want to be at the top of your game in the online business world, you'll want to stick around till the end of this video. We've got some game-changing insights and real-life examples that'll blow your mind. Now, as we journey into the world of online businesses, don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited to learn, and if you're a believer in the power of a positive mindset, smash that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Let's start with the foundation. In the realm of online business, your product or service is essential, but it's the mindset behind it that can make or break your success. Take Amazon, for instance. Jeff Bezos started with an online bookstore but had a dream and an unwavering belief in the potential of e-commerce. His positive mindset fueled Amazon's transformation into an e-commerce juggernaut. To thrive in the fast-evolving world of online business, adaptability is key. Look at Shopify, an e-commerce platform. Tobias Lutke's unwavering determination allowed Shopify to empower countless entrepreneurs to build their businesses online. Resilience is another critical trait, as online businesses often face setbacks. Airbnb's Brian Chesky faced numerous obstacles, but his resilience kept the company going, revolutionizing the way people travel and find accommodations. Innovation is the heartbeat of successful online businesses. A positive mindset encourages constant innovation. Tesla and Elon Musk come to mind. Musk's innovative mindset revolutionized the automotive industry, making electric cars mainstream. In the online business world, community and support are game changers. Etsy's success is fueled by its supportive community of sellers and buyers, making creativity flourish. There you have it, the secret ingredient for online business success in 2023, the right mindset. Positivity, adaptability, resilience, innovation, and a supportive community are the pillars. But remember, it all starts with you, the entrepreneur. As we wrap up, let me leave you with this thought from Henry Ford: whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Your mindset is the key that unlocks the doors to your online business dreams. If this video has sparked a fire within you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more wisdom on business and success. And as you know, we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, and tips on developing the right mindset for business in the comments below. Your insights may just inspire someone else to greatness. Thank you for joining us on Beyond the Horizons today. Keep that positive mindset alive, keep growing, and keep reaching for the stars. Until next time, remember, the right mindset is your superpower in the world of online business. Stay inspired!